Hi there guys, and welcome back to Crypto Rise. Before we get into the video, obviously we're doing an update on CRONOS, but we're doing a giveaway for 2 quant that's going to end at the end of this week. And remember, to get into the giveaway, all you have to do is like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and in the comments below say you've done all 3. Now let's get straight into the news. So CRONOS obviously has taken a little hit. It was like 1.66%. It's literally, it's quite volatile at the moment. It's going up and down. If we look at the chart right now, literally it's not doing too bad. It's recovering quite well. It only went down by 0.001 or even not even by that much. I don't think this is something to worry about. If we look at the rest of the market, it's not looking too bad. Look, but on the 7-day chart, it's literally at 0% change. 24 hours 0%. It's almost green basically, so there's nothing to worry about. I feel like it's a short little drop, but other than that, I feel like it's doing quite good. Like even the other coins are doing decent as well in the market, so I don't think it's anything to worry about. Now if we go onto the trading view, you can get a clearer view of the whole thing in general. So look, now if you look at the trading view, if we zoom in a bit, pull it up, literally in the last couple hours it hasn't done even that bad. It's only because this little drop over probably like a couple whales selling their coin, but other than that there's a lot of buying pressure here, as you can see. But I expect it to go back to a high price, and I feel like now it's at 0.06. It's so close to $1. I think with just waiting on the World Cup to keep going through its stages, because remember, World Cup, it ends at the start of January, about that time, the end of December, start of January. That's whereabouts it will finish. And let's be honest, the World Cup is going to make it shoot so far up into this rocket. You're not going to be able to like withstand how much it's going to blow up in price, because it's the main sponsor of the World Cup. About 4 billion people watch the World Cup, just to emphasize that. So literally you're taking a sponsorship that's going to be seen everywhere around the stadium, on teams, everywhere, and it's going to get so much publicity that people are going to look into it and be like, okay fine, what's that? And then obviously now everyone knows what crypto is, so they're going to have an understanding of, oh, if that's getting sponsored, then why don't I invest into it, or why don't I see what it's about, research about it? And that's going to bring loads more positive news about the coin itself. Now look, look, there's a green candle being formed right now for the hourly chart. I could see this going, look, there's a support line. Let me draw a support line right now. There's a horizontal line, there you go, perfect. I could see the support line around here. I don't think it'll go lower than that. Look, there's literally so much breakthrough. That support line has gone up, down, and I feel like it could reach here. If I do another one, if it breaks through here, it will go up. I think it will go up to around, let me draw a line where I feel like I could go, trend line, I feel like I could go up to there. Obviously it won't be literally as straight as that, but I feel like it can definitely go back up to this price, because if you zoom out, this price has been literally like stopped at twice. So once here and once here, and it's gone back down, but I feel like it's gonna go straight back up with more bullish like pressure and people buying into the coin. And I feel like it will keep on growing, and from there obviously I think it will come back down, but I think it will make another support line, resistance line and support line from here, and then obviously a resistance line there. And if it breaks through this resistance here, if I draw a line around the heat right here, I feel like if it breaks through this, it will only inevitably go to 0.7, 0.8, and even $1. And this is not like a short term, like 1-2 day thing. I think if you give it a couple weeks, or even by the end of the year, 100% they can hit a $1, because CRONOS, it went through all that changing up of its coin, then to turn into this, and it being the face of FIFA World Cup. It's inevitably going to be a great accomplishment for them. Now let's see what this article is saying about it. So it's saying, is CRONOS trending lower or higher Thursday? So this is basically a website that tells you whether it's a good investment. So if we really skip to the main parts that we want to see, so CRO at this time has a superior long-term technical analysis score, more than 48 of cryptos in circulation. The long-term rank will be most relevant to a buy and hold type investors who are looking for a strong, steady growth when allocating their assets. Combining a high and a short-term technical score will also help the portfolio. So it's around 48, which is very good if it's a long-term hold. And I always tell my subscribers that keep your coins for a long period of time. Don't look at the short term. You're gonna see it grow and grow. You're gonna invest into the project rather than in the fact that you're gonna make profit. You're not trying to invest for profit. You're trying to invest for into a project and have faith in it to literally bloom as much as possible. Now, if we go to Crypto.com's Twitter, there's so many different giveaways. It's been so interactive with the World Cup. Inevitably, I feel like it's gonna blow. Like, there's no chance that people won't see this on the banners around these sides. If you look on the stadium around here, people are gonna see it all the time. They're gonna search it up. They're gonna be like, okay, cool, let me try invest in this. Oh, someone told me about this. You're gonna see a lot of it happen, and I won't be surprised if people start investing very, very soon. So if you want to get in now, earlier than everyone else, I suggest that 100%. Obviously, it's not financial advice. This is just my opinion, but I feel like it's a great time to invest now. And this is an article about people saying, look, whales have been dumping exchange tokens like CRO and FTT, but FTT is at $1.66, and I don't think that's going to go anywhere soon at all. But for in CRO's time, for us, it's even better, because if it drops that low, or if it drops by a little bit, it gives us even more time to invest into the market. And that for us is not a bad thing at all. Literally, I feel like it's going to be good because it gives you time to buy at a low price. So when the World Cup keeps growing and growing, I promise you, it will literally blossom into a $1. I feel like there could be enough buying pressure for it to hit maybe even $1.5. So for me, I could see it doubling easily, because at the moment now, if you look at the chart, look, it's at 0.06. I could easily see it doubling by the end of the World Cup. And people could call me crazy, but for me, I personally think it could definitely double by the end of the World Cup. The amount of hype going into it, and because it says here, right here, long-term technical rank is a 48, and it's saying that it's a very strong, it will have very strong, steady growth, and that's what we want in terms of an investment for us. Now, if we look at, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you guys drop a like below and comment. And remember, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.